Here we are at Rushing River, September. It's very quiet here. It's a little cool, which is expected, and a little drizzly, but it's still lovely. We are at campsite 73. It's right near the boat launch, but it's not very busy this time of year, so that's okay. I don't think I'd want to stay here in the midsummer. It would be quite busy, not very private. But the spot we'd really like to get is right there. That's 75. And it looks right out over the lake. Beautiful. But also 74 right here is quite lovely, and we would like to book that sometime as well. It wasn't empty last night though, so we couldn't book this for the weekend. But it would be nice and quiet. Now you can see the lake through there. And actually, there's a little trail through the woods. It takes you right onto a rock overlooking the water. There's us right there. These two don't look very desirable. 76 and 77. And then of course we were just down a bit farther at 78 in June when we came, and it was a horrible sight. It is October the 1st. Surprisingly, most of the other people are in tents. And it does get about plus 6 degrees Celsius at night. This is the southeast section of the park. This site has a tent trailer that they rent out. You can rent that nightly or weekly, I guess. Has a little barbecue with it. Trailer site 400. Yeah, kind of cute. I bet that would sleep about 4 people.